Hi, my name is Holly Mae Davis, and I was recently in the play The Visit by Frederick Dürrenmatt in partnership with UWTSD. And the play was basically about a couple that was recently been through a breakup playing a character that was also recently in a breakup in a play. And it was very unique as well. And my favourite part of playing Woman One in the play was running on stage, eating chocolate, and my partner in the show who played Woman Two as well. We'd gossip about the characters eating chocolate, and then we'd notice the reporters would run off the stage and be like, "This person's for you," and we'd run afterwards because we liked to hear the gossip and stuff. And I found that really funny, and I think I made it amusing for the audience as well. Um, the most valuable part for me for working and performing in the visit was the experience of getting to work with professional directors as well as working with university students. As I'm a second year, I'll be going off to uni next year, so I thought it was very cool to see how they do it themselves and how fast it took them about 3 weeks to be off script and stuff like that on a huge play. And I thought it was very inspiring as well. And also the professionalism backstage as well, with the production crew and stuff like that. I thought it was really cool, and I think that's the most valuable lesson I took from it was how professional and stuff the show can really be when you're working hard on it.